What do you think we're doing today? And of course, we probably got an inch of rain last night. That's just how it goes when you got things planned like this. When you're going to be down in a hole, Mother Nature's got different plans. We got slingers. Said it only taking 10 minutes to get that in. So he's done that a couple times. That's the way to do it versus trying to pack everything around that bag. Muddy mess. It's gonna be a muddy mess anyway, ain't it? And it's raining again. He was thinking one load, then he started spreading it out here, and he said a lot deeper than he thought it was. Then just spray a little bit in that water and make my job a little easier. That rain didn't help much, did it? This is deep here. I dug this out deep and it's still sinking. Leave your shoes at the door. Before my quick coupler was bent, I found a little tab. I pushed it back with the bar and able to get it to work. So this ditchy bucket, that's gonna be good to put that gravel in there. Hammer seems like he's a little edgy today. Might get interesting. All right. This works really good for putting gravels in there. Have to get down there and do a little hand work. We're not roasting our guts out. That's a positive. You always gotta look at the bright side of everything. Oh, let's get down in there and wrestle this material into shape. I've been dreaming about getting down in this hole all night long. You can see how much rain. Remember the last time we were here, that was down another foot. That frog, remember that frog swimming? You'll throw that pipe down in there. Carleato's taking forever to get a zip tie. Wrestle on the snake. me a couple. Laying in there. Now I understand why Dennis wanted this gravel and stuff in there. It was all hot and dry, whatever, and I kind of pushed back, but he said I don't start one unless it's in there. And you just don't want to be slopping in the mud. Make your job as easy as possible. I get it. Why not? Man, you got that footer looking pretty. I'll get this pipe, ain't a big deal, Cole. Labor and operating a big deal. Here, grab her by the ears and pull her down in there. We gotta run it from there and let it run wild out there. And here comes the rain. Can't get around that other side with the excavator with the property line, how tight it is. Get on Cole a little bit. I was down in there asking for something. He was taking forever to get it to me, and I got on him. You'll have that. We needed urgency, and you know what? The next time I asked him to do something, he actually ran to the truck and ran back. So maybe he learned. Rain's starting to pick up pretty good now. Slinger's back. Just pull it straight out the back. Cole, come over here with your come along and hold down right on this thing. You Python hunter. Look at that hustle. Now don't fall and get one of them through your chest. We like the Lost Boys and shit. Hold her up. Yeah, straight out. Just let it run wild like the horses. Getting wet. How you can just let it lay there. Yeah, get it out there because he's gonna sling all this. Wild horses, they really pissed me off. There we go. Let me put some on that and then let me pull low on that and then go down here and hold it, and then we got to pull it into that curve. This rain may change my schedule up a little bit. We were going to go knock them other two jobs out, but I'm not going to get soaked all day. I got some other things I could do. Get a couple gravel staged and go get a catch basin. I can't find 2-foot catch basins around here anymore. Everybody's out of them. Or don't. One place I called, they're out of business. told that guy I'd have that pallet way before he got back. And I didn't. I'll have him sling a little bit on that pipe. Cole's a big help, I tell you. He really is. Had some people asking about you on the old YouTube. People were asking about you on YouTube. Told me you're gonna be in some summer videos. Is that holding that pipe down? Is that good? Did it hold it down? You want more? Here, I'll put some more on there. I don't mind getting down in the hole and doing that labor. It's just I can't do both. Never ask another man to do what I wouldn't. That's for freaking sure. Damn, about a slip and slide about busting my neck. Man, I tell you, that's dangerous. Hold that right there. Put your thing on. There you go. Lost Boys. Sleep all day, party all night, and live forever. We work all day, sleep a little bit of the night, think about our jobs and watch YouTube, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see, man. This is a sloppy damn mess down here.
I gotta get a little closer. Job well begun is a job well done. Famous words of Kenny Tischler. Well, Cole, what'd you think of your first foundation backfill? Laid in there real nice.
That's right. See, he's even learning the lingo. Well, I think that's going to be it for today. I was going to go over and touch that riprap off. Brian's hauling me another load, so he'll probably be 2 hours. And it's going to be muddy. We'll make a muddy mess, so I think we're just going to wait tomorrow, let it dry out. Then we can knock that out, that long driveway, and start that on Friday. Like always, it was a pleasure hanging, banging, chillaxing with you guys. Just keep doing what you do. Good thing is it wasn't too dang hot.